Hello guys, welcome back to AutoZaf channel. The 2024 Honda RC213V is the latest evolution of Honda's legendary MotoGP machine, designed to dominate the track with cutting-edge engineering and relentless performance. As the official factory bike for Honda's MotoGP team, this beast is built for one purpose: winning races at the highest level. With continuous refinements in aerodynamics, engine performance, and electronics, the RC213V remains a fierce competitor in the premier class. At its core, the 2024 RC213V features a 1,000 cubic centimeters V4 engine, producing over 270 horsepower, delivering brutal acceleration and high-speed stability. This power plant, paired with Honda's twin-spar aluminum chassis, ensures razor-sharp handling and incredible agility through corners. Honda has focused on improving rear grip and mid-corner stability, making the bike more rideable for its factory riders. Aerodynamics play a crucial role in modern MotoGP, and Honda has redesigned the RC213 versus fairings and winglets for better downforce and improved braking stability. The aggressive front-end styling, combined with Honda's iconic Repsol livery, makes this bike a standout on the grid. The new air intake system also enhances power delivery, ensuring maximum performance on straights and exits. The electronic package has been fine-tuned to give riders better control over the bike's immense power. It includes a sophisticated traction control system, launch control, anti-wheelie system, and seamless gearbox for lightning-fast gear changes. These features allow riders to push the limits while maintaining maximum stability. The RC213 versus suspension setup features Öhlins front and rear components, providing exceptional feedback and adjustability. Paired with Brembo's high-performance carbon brakes, this setup allows for aggressive braking deep into corners, crucial for competitive racing. With Michelin's top-tier MotoGP tires, the RC213V offers maximum grip in all conditions. For fans dreaming of owning this MotoGP beast, Honda offers a limited production RC213VS, a street-legal version inspired by the race bike. The RC213VS is priced at $184,000, making it one of the most exclusive motorcycles in the world. While it doesn't have the full MotoGP power, it delivers an unparalleled riding experience for elite enthusiasts. In conclusion, the 2024 Honda RC213V is a masterpiece of engineering, blending raw power with precision handling and cutting-edge technology. With constant innovation and performance upgrades, this machine continues to be a dominant force in MotoGP. Whether you're a die-hard Honda fan or a MotoGP enthusiast, the RC213V represents the pinnacle of two-wheeled racing excellence.